Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today we are going to crochet the Lacy scarf. This is a beautiful lacy stitched scarf. It's made with DK weight yarn, so it's lightweight but not super thin either. For this project I'm using Mary Maxim's Mellow Spun DK. This is a really soft, nice DK number 3 weight yarn. It is 100% acrylic and it comes in a skein of about 284 yards. I'm using this lovely light pink. It's called soft pink color for the tutorial. And I've got one here in this cream color that I'm working on as well, just to show you a demonstration of what it looks like. You'll also need your crochet hook. I have a G 4mm crochet hook. Gauge is not super important in this scarf, but you want your scarf to measure about 8 inches across. So the number of chains that you start with and the work that you do across should measure right around 8 inches. It doesn't have to, but the pattern calls for a G 4mm crochet hook. So if you're getting smaller than that or larger than that, you may want to adjust your hook. But like I said, it doesn't matter all that much. You also need your scissors, your measuring tape, and a yarn needle to weave in your ends. I think that's everything. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, to start our scarf, we are going to chain 34 stitches. So I've got my slip knot, and then I'm just going to do 34. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, I've got 34 chains. I like to work in the back bump of my chain, so I'm going to flip that chain around. And now for row 1, it says to single crochet in the second chain from my hook. So this first stitch, that chain that is next to my hook, I'm going to do a single crochet. And then it says chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3 chains. So I'm just going to look at these bumps here. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet in the next chain, like so. And then it says to repeat that across. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next. And I'm going to continue that all the way across. And my last single crochet will be in the last chain. So now it says we should have 8 chain 5 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I've got 8 here. Let's scoot this over. Now we're ready for row 2. So it says to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that counts as a double crochet plus a chain 2. I'm going to turn to the other side. I'm going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So that's this last one right here. Do a single crochet. And then it says to do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet. So my single crochet is right here. So I'm doing a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet in that stitch, chain 1, and one more double crochet in the stitch, like so. And it says single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So this one right next to it, I'm going to do a single crochet over it. And that is what it looks like. Now we are at our repeat. It says to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to single crochet in the next chain 5 space. So then it says to do our double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that single crochet right next to the chain 5 space that I just worked around. Now I'm going to single crochet in the next chain 5 space, or around the next chain 5 space, and repeat that across to the last chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next chain space. Then I'm going to do my double crochets in the single crochet here. 1 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then single crochet into the next, chain 5, and single crochet in the next. Then we're going to do our double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. All right, and then we are going to do 1 single crochet in the last chain 5 space, then chain 2 and a double crochet in this last single crochet at the end. All right, so here is the end of row 2 and what it looks like. Now we are going to start row 3. It says chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first double crochet, so that's the stitch right here. And then it says to do our double crochet shell, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet. So that is this one right here that we did around the chain 5 space. So I'm going to do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay? From there, it says we are going to single crochet in the second DC of next shell. So we've got our shell right here. We've got 1 DC, 2 DC, 3 DC. We're going to single crochet in the second DC, like so. And then we are going to do another shell in the next DC. So single crochet. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like so. And then we are going to single crochet in the next chain space. So right there. And this is what it looks like from here. Kind of looks like a little heart. Now we are going to repeat that. So we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. Then we're going to work our single crochet in the second double crochet of the shell. Then we'll go over here to our next single crochet and do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then single crochet in the next chain space, or around the next chain space. So I'm just repeating that all the way across, doing a shell here, single crochet in the second double crochet, shell, single crochet around the chain space. One more. Another shell. and then single crochet in the chain space, which is our last chain space here. So we are finished. This is what the end of row 3 should look like. We have 8 shells, it says. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's move on to row 4. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn our work. It says to single crochet in the second double crochet of the shell. So we've got our first shell right here. We got 1 double crochet, 2, 3. So I'm going to single crochet in that second one. And then it says to do a shell in the next single crochet. So we've got a single crochet right here where we did in the second stitch of that shell down here. So we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then we are going to single crochet in the second double crochet of the next shell, like so. And then we are going to start our repeat, which is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the second double crochet of the next shell. Then do a shell in the next single crochet. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then single crochet in the second stitch of the next shell. And repeat across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in the second stitch, a shell, single crochet in the second stitch, chain 5, single crochet in the second stitch, shell, and then single crochet in the second stitch. Now at the end we're going to chain 2 and double crochet in this last stitch. So that is the end of round 4. Row 4. Row 5 is going to be a chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first stitch, that first double crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the second double crochet of the shell right here, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the chain space, around the chain space. And then we are going to repeat that across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the second stitch of the shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet around the chain space, like so. And then we will work into this last chain space for our end. And it says we need to have 8 chain 5 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of row 5. And now for the rest of the scarf, you're going to repeat rows 2 through 5 until scarf is approximately 60 inches or desired length. A little trick I learned in my crocheting journey is a scarf is usually the length of the person in inches. So I am 5'3", so my scarf would need to be approximately 63 inches. If you have a taller person, you want to make it a little bit taller. Totally personal preference though. Work the repeat of rows 2 through 5 until you get to your 60 63, however long inches you want it to be. And then you will fasten off, weave in your ends, and block if you desire. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and click that bell for notifications for new videos each week. Have a wonderful day.